Welcome to Furnace Repair Kenton, Portland, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're in search of dependable HVAC contractor in your local area, it is best to turn to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our team of experts can provide services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years experience in the HVAC industry, and we can take care of all of your most difficult HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are skilled in every aspect of the cooling and heating industry. They offer exceptional service that delivers outstanding results, outstanding customer service, and affordable pricing. Our team takes pride in staying up to date with codes and technology in order to keep your family and your home healthy. Whatever the complexity or big the task is, we are happy with doing what we do. This is evident in the high quality work we do. Our HVAC contractors handle small heating and cooling jobs from routine maintenance to large central heating and cooling system installation. Only factory-trained technicians employ factory-trained technicians. They're among the best and most reliable professionals in the field. Your work will be completed properly every time. Right Now Heating and Cooling hopes to keep our relationship regardless of when the new equipment has been installed. Our ongoing service is designed to keep your unit operating optimally without disrupting breakdowns. Our services include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other services. Our method has always been simple, which is to provide a competitive price with qualified HVAC technicians that do not charge extra charges, and backed with a 100% guarantee on the quality of the work. If you require any heating or cooling repairs, or for installation services for your home or company, our HVAC technicians are here to assist you. We provide a variety of pricing options as well as guaranteed workmanship. We provide weekend and emergency service, as well as warranties on all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.